Create viral worthy content faster using this secret AI to select your best photos fast. So in the past, you had to select all the images yourself individually, taking a lot of time. Now the AI selects the best photo from your batch of photo itself, saving you a lot of time. Click on create album over here. Click on the option raw JPEG. Now select the album where your images are placed and click on import. It's going to import all your image. So just click on something else. Now you want to click on the option culling over here. Then you just click on the option start AI culling over here. Then you just choose start AI automated cull. Now what this does is this basically selects your best photo automatically. You don't have to go through like hundreds of photos selecting the best one. This AI does it for you. Click on start cull, wait for some time, and it's going to give you all the best images. And once it gives you all the best images, from within the best images, you can select the best option you like, or you can just click on the option 5. It shows you the 5-star rated image. So the AI gives all the image, it selects star, and whichever image it thinks is the best gives its 5 stars. So you can choose 5-star, and all the image with 5-star is going to be shown to you, which is the best one. And from that, you can choose the one you like. You can just click on export at the top right, export the image and upload it on your social media to get viral. That's how simple it is. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.